Okay, so again, geometric means exponential, arithmetic means linear. So you have to tell, you're basically trying to figure out, is this function exponential or is it linear? So you should be able to tell by how it looks like. We did a bunch of examples with exponential ones. We did a bunch of examples with linear. Okay, it should look like one of those two. And keep in mind, we didn't use an n. Okay, we used an x. I told you guys, it doesn't matter what number we use. It's just the variable. Okay, so this equation should be either linear or exponential, and you should be able to tell. Okay, so it can't be both. It can't be both exponential and linear. It has to be one or the other. Remember, if it's exponential, it's going to have an exponent in it. Okay? If it's exponential, remember, we just talked about this, every single equation we wrote had the exponent x minus 1. There was an exponent in it. Okay, do you guys see an exponent in question 5? Nope. So that means it's not exponential. So it has to be the other one. You only have two options, right? Drop down menu, you know it's not exponential, which is geometric. So it has to be the other one. All right, and then explicit and recursive, we just did a bunch of examples on those. Explicit is either in mx plus b form, or it is first number times the pattern to the x minus 1 power. Okay, these are what explicit equations look like. Remember, recursive equations, they all have a starting point. F of 1 equals 3, and then these are just random examples I'm just making up. Okay, remember, recursive ones are the long ones. They have a starting point. And they have the weird stuff in the middle, too. Explicit equations are like the ones that look more like normal equations that we like. They're shorter.